Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have today. Integrand is something like this. Let me highlight it for you. Integrand is sine inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square. And if I see it, I immediately get an idea that the derivative of sine inverse x with respect to dx is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square, isn't it? So this gives us a clue that we can substitute root of 1 minus x square as t. That is, we can assume root of 1 minus x square is equal to t, and then we can proceed further. So let us see what do we have as our first step. Okay, they have not substituted root of 1 minus x square is equal to t. You can solve the question that way as well, but they have used the simpler process, that is, they have assumed sine inverse x as t. They have not done this thing. You can also solve the question by this way, but it will be pretty lengthy or difficult. So let us see what's the next step. So sine inverse x is equal to t. So 1 upon root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. That is, we differentiated this part, both sides, and the differentiation of sine inverse x with respect to dx is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. X is dx and dt. So now we can replace, let me put the integrand sign here, and let me write dx here. So this whole part can be now written as dt, and sine inverse x can be written as t. This can be written as dt. So we get simplified integrand as t dt. Now let us see the next step. So the integration of t is t square by 2. As you can very well remember that integration of x raised to the power n with respect to dx is x raised to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So here the value of n is 1, so n plus 1 is 2 and n plus 1 is 2. So we get x square by 2, that is t square by 2 plus 1 additional constant, that is c. Now let us move to the next slide. Now before writing our final answer as t square by 2, we need to replace t by its original what we can say substitution. We already substituted sine inverse x as t, so t square will be sine inverse x raised to the power whole 2. So our final answer is sine inverse x raised to the power 2 by 2 plus c, where c is any constant value. So I hope you all got it. Thank you.